Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best Cabinet Table Saw New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best cabinet table saw in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this cabinet table saw, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Bosch Power Tools 4110 Table Saw. 10-inch Jobsite table saw with 25-inch cutting capacity and portable folding table stand. Powerful table saw has 15 amp saw with 4.0 max HP and 3,650 RPM for rip cutting and cross cutting of fine and rough materials. Dimensions 37.7 D x 29.4 watts x 19.4 H. Product weight 110 pounds. Large cast aluminum top provides increased workspace and material support with a 30-in ripping capacity. Soft start circuitry manages intensity of motor startup and minimizes the likelihood possibility of tripping a circuit breaker. Constant response circuitry helps maintain speed under load. Restart protection helps to avoid accidental startup. Portability works seamlessly with the included lighter GTA 47W gravity rise wheeled stand for easy job site mobility with single action setup and take down. Smart guard system, riving knife and anti-kickback poles provide protection, while the guard assembly provides a barrier to help prevent blade contact while allowing an unobstructed view of the cut.
Top 9.
SKIL 15 amp 10-inch table saw, TS630700, rack and pinion fence rails, ensures fence stays parallel to blade for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. Integrated folding stand, legs quickly fold in to provide portability and convenience. Storage parallel blade alignment, available micro adjustment of blade so that it is parallel to rip fence and miter slot. 4x4 cutting capacity, cuts material up to 4x4 at 90 degrees 2 to 47 degrees. Bevel capacity, cuts between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees with quick release lever. Dust port elbow, redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup.
Top 8.
Powermatic 2000 B10 table saw, 3 HP, 50 rip with Accu-Fence, PM 23150K, cast iron trunnion, provides the strongest stability of any Powermatic table saw. Integrated digital readout for precise bevel cuts. Quick release riving knife, hassle-free riving knife changes. Poly V drive belt system, quieter, more efficient power transfer, virtually no vibration, and less heat buildup. Adjustable angle indicators for bevel cuts.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
Powermatic 64B10 table saw, 1.75 HP, 30-inch fence, 1,791,229K, exclusive Accu-Fence system, locks to rail without play for increased safety and precision. Quick release riving knife, maintains close blade proximity to reduce chance of kickback. Cast iron trunnion, ensures smooth blade positioning. Micro adjust miter gauge, offers wider crosscut support. Built-in dust port, increases dust collection efficiency.
Top 6.
Jet 708675 PK10 Deluxe XACTA Saw 3 HP, 50 rip quick release riving knife hassle-free riving knife changes. Poly V drive belt system, delivers efficient, quiet operation. Shrouded blade and 4 dust collection port, increases dust collection efficiency. Built-in, sealed storage drawer.
Top 5.
5 HP Unisaw with 52 Biesemeyer Fence. This item ships in 4 boxes. You should receive the following components: 36L 303 horsepower saw body, crated, 78 to 138 fence rails, boxed, 78 to 919 fence and legs, boxed, 78 to 864 extension table, boxed. If any component is missing from your order, please accept the shipment and contact Amazon. Do not return the entire unit because of a missing part. We will expedite the delivery of any missing component. Thank you. Powerful 3 horsepower, 220 volt, 60 Hz American Marathon motor designed to handle the most demanding production environments. Legendary Biesemeyer Fence system, accurate to 1/64, designed for precision cuts every time, and it has a special design allowing you to cut small pieces of stock fence true to 1/64 bevel. Dial tunes blade bevel, providing accuracy to within 1/4 degrees. Legendary Biesemeyer Fence system allows for precision cuts every time and has a special design allowing you to cut small pieces of stock. A single cast trunnion system results in incredible vibration control, providing continuous smooth operation.
Top 4.
Powermatic PM 1000 1791001K table saw, 50-inch fence precision ground cast iron work surface, features a beveled edge for smoother operation. Poly V belt drive system, reduces vibration and maximizes efficiency. Miter gauge pivot 60 degrees left right, allows easy adjustment for a full range of cuts. Arbor lock, one-handed blade changes with minimal tools. Exclusive Accu-Fence system, provides rigidity and precision.
Top 3.
DEWALT 10-inch table saw, 32.5-inch rip capacity, DWE 7491 RS. Your purchase includes 1 DEWALT table saw, 10/24-tooth carbide blade, rolling stand, push stick, miter gauge, rip fence, 2x blade wrenches, blade guard assembly. Manual. Other specs: max rip to left of blade 22, max rip to right of blade 32.5, max width of dado 13/16, arbor size 5/8 amps, 15 depth of cut at 45 degrees, 2/1/4 depth of cut at 90 degrees, 3/1/8 no load speed, 4800 RPM rolling stand designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. Rack and pinion telescoping fence system, make fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. Features a 15.0A high torque motor with the power to cut pressure-treated lumber and hardwoods.
Top 2.
Powermatic 1791230K 64B table saw, 1.75 HP 115 230V, 50-inch fence with riving knife. Exclusive Accu-Fence system, locks to rail without play for increased safety and precision. Quick release riving knife, maintains close blade proximity to reduce chance of kickback. Cast iron trunnion, ensures smooth blade positioning. Micro adjust miter gauge, offers wider crosscut support. Built-in dust port, increases dust collection efficiency.
Top 1.
Powermatic PM1010 table saw with 30 Accu-Fence system, 1,791,000 K, efficiency, a blade surround, and collection hose provide an unobstructed path, maximizing dust collection. Simplicity. Arbor lock allows for one-handed blade changes, with minimal tools. Comfort. Ergonomically designed 7 handwheels provide momentum, making blade height and bevel adjustments easy. Sturdy. Precision ground cast iron work surface features a beveled edge for smoother operation. Safety. Tool-less guard assembly with independent side leaves is easy to use, maximizing safety.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.